Yo, welcome back to another episode of Wake Up with Wops. In the previous video, we went over the crypto watch list and some positions. Now we're going to do it on the stock side. First, let's go over the taking profits on road. You guys know we entered into this trade because it was an earnings reversal. Or not really a reversal. It had gap up on earnings and then it pulled back. We saw that it had support at the 9 EMA. We entered right there and then we hit our target around 120, 121. That is a beautiful trade right there. Straight, perfect playbook. I'm loving it. So after taking profits on that, we entered into, well, we already talked about going into Apple, Oklo, and Shopify. So let's go talk about my Nike portfolio, or not portfolio, position. I actually raised up the target price on Nike because it's looking good. I think retail in general is looking well, and Nike's looking hot coming out of this long term down. You see this downtrend right here under the 200 SMA. We're finally breaking that. So I'm loving it. I'd rather just hold Nike for a longer term. Hold, maybe even hold it longer, make it a 3-1 risk to reward. That'll be pretty nice. Home Depot, we're waiting for a little deeper pullback. I'd like to see a pullback to the 9 EMA or maybe some consolidation. And then you can see here, it's kind of forming like a little flag there. You got the flagpole, the flag. So I'm loving Home Depot right now. We got our eyes on DraftKings. Right now it looks a little extended, a bunch of green days. So we're going to wait for that. I'm liking Uber and Dash. Right now it's pretty extended. But let's look at Dash. I think Dash will be good right now. It's having trouble going above the 9 EMA. But if it goes above that, then I think you could target that high right there. I really like Solar and FSLR. This one is a good risk, 2-to-1 risk reward. Kind of the same thing as Road, how you see had a gap up, pulled back to the 9 EMA and showing support. You can count that maybe as a reversal candle, who knows? And we continue going higher with a bounce off the 9 EMA. I really like this one. I might enter into this today. I'm also looking at AVAV because you could see, let's talk about Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is up 9% today. It's looking like a beauty. Look at that. This is aerospace and defense. So I'm just thinking if Rocket Lab is going crazy today, maybe AVAB could go crazy later in the week. You can see here it's the same sector, aerospace and defense. So I'm loving it, 2-to-1 risk reward. Right now it needs to go above the 50 SMA. So I think I'm going to wait for that. But once it triggers that, then I'm going to enter into that. But for now, I'm looking at this solar play. Really loving that. Let's see what else we have here, guys. Roblox, from that news that we got stopped out. Go check out that video when I lost money on that trade. Now we're bouncing back up. So it's probably just an overreaction to the news. We're looking good above the 9 EMA and holding support at the 20 SMA. You could probably enter into today and then target the highs of either up here on 151 or maybe around here around 137, 139. I like Roblox. That could be a good enter today. Actually, I'm going to move that to my A+. Meta also looking good. You know we love Meta in the channel. We talked about it, traded it a couple times. I do like Toast a little bit more though, because the risk reward is there. You see 2-to-1 remount to the 9 EMA. The only thing is I want to wait for this 50 SMA remount around 44 bucks. If it goes above 44 bucks and stays there, we could enter. But if you want to anticipate it, then you could probably enter now for a better reward. But I'm loving that. You could target the top right here around 49.